But the little foot or arm is around.
Oh my God, look at this.
They have to get up to get air, don't they? Oh, for God's sake.
I thought they were fighting, but I don't think that's what they're doing.
I don't think so. I'm pretty darn sure it's
Oh
not.
gosh.
Oh, I wish Jamie could see
Oh,
you.
my
You
goodness.
tape you're doing
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Don't put it on
Oh,
Facebook.
of course I am.
Oh,
Oh
God.
my gosh, look at that. I've
But
never seen that.
But I don't know because...
It's like they're trying to drown each other. Look at this.
Yes. And you know what? I don't think they are mating because there's nothing down below.
Well,
is
are
there?
they fighting for territory? What? I don't understand what's happening.
I don't either.
Oh, my
Look at
goodness.
it. And it's like, oh, jeez.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
that is the... Oh, my...
Oh, don't kill him. Oh my goodness. Oh, go. Oh.
They are
Get
two
going.
bullfrogs then. aren't they?
Oh, they are fighting.
I
Look at
think
that. They are
They
fighting.
are fighting.
The pond's big enough for both
Look
of
at the
you.
fish. The fish are after them too.
Oh, stop that. Oh, that's not nice. No. Oh my.
I've never seen this ever in my born days. Oh, here comes another fish. He says, I want it.
Oh, you guys.
Jamie!